Hey, Steve Gardner here again. Just want to go over some things when researching on who to hire as a realtor to sell your home or condo or property. There's some real important things that you should do when you're interviewing, and you should interview other realtors, but there's some things that you should really look for. You don't want to really hire a realtor. You want to hire a marketing expert. Okay. I don't consider myself a realtor. I consider myself somebody that's basically in marketing. Okay. You want to also ask the realtor you're hiring, what do you do as far as marketing? Are you putting a sign in the yard and listing it in the MLS? Are you going to take photos with your phone? Or are you going to hire a professional photographer? Are you going to do drone shots? How is your social marketing going to be? Do you boost your properties on Facebook, pay for Google ads, pay for Facebook ads? The times have changed, and you have to be aggressive with your marketing. Print advertising is gone. That's a waste of money. You really need a realtor that is going to push it across the globe socially, get interaction on the home, get all kinds of things, excitement for this home, and putting it in the best light. You really and truly have to do those things. Does your realtor offer you advice on staging the home? Do they know what, does the house need to be staged? Are they honest with you about the condition of the home? Are there repairs that need to be done? Are there repairs that don't need to be done? These are the sort of things that you really have to ask. Also, you want to make sure that you are interviewing a listing agent, not a real estate agent. A real estate agent is someone that primarily works with buyers and drives around for hours and hours showing home. So when your home needs to be marketed properly and that realtor is out showing homes for a week straight, which is very common, are they truly paying attention to your property? I do work with buyers, but they're on referral basis pretty much. I try to just become what's called a listing agent. I'd rather focus on your property. So anyway, I hope you found these little tips and tidbits. There's tons more that I can give you. But if you are interested in selling your home or property, condo, what have you, townhouse, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to sit down with you or have a phone call. All right. Thanks. Take care.